So we miss you.
Is she there?
No, when she answers, I'm going to put on speakerphone.
And inspired my Open Hearts collection at K2.
I was going to say, is there a mute on the TV?
K was the perfect choice to help me turn my
Ready?
mom's inspiration into something beautiful and eternal. You were right,
Where are you?
Merry Christmas, we miss you.
Merry Christmas.
We miss you.
Yep.
Okay.
Maybe she won't say it anyway. Well, this was fun.
Give it to you, Larry.
Just remember, you're being videoed and it's going to be uploaded.
It's probably going to my boss. Oh, come on. Okay.
Merry Christmas! We miss you!
Bye.